Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to put a dust collection system onto our Dewalt DW735X planer. Now this is going to be a little bit different than putting a dust collector on the wall or on the floor or a vacuum or something. What we're actually going to do is install this bag directly to the Dewalt. Now how do we do that? Well, one thing about this planer, which is a little bit different than many others, is its extraction port actually has a blower motor in it, and it actually can blow the chips out into the bag. If I were to turn this planer on right now and run a board through it, it would make one hell of a mess. It would shoot chips 30 feet in that direction. So we have enough power here to actually fill that bag up. Now, I have a few parts here. I'm going to put a list below to everything I have. Some of this stuff comes from Rockler. I have this angled attachment here. This is the first part we're going to use. And what's great about this part, one flaw of this system is the chute is right here at your outfeed table, and the hose lays here and it gets in the way of your board. We're going to eliminate that with this right here. This is going to go on here and give us an angle. From there, we're going to put a little bit of hose down to here where I have this T adapter. I think I'm going to put a little piece of 2x6 here and then put this on here. The hose will go to there, and then the bag will go right here, and we'll be able to run our chute right here. I'm going to go ahead and install this now, let you watch it, and then I'll come back and show you how it works. Okay, there's step number one. We have our angle. So now we can bring the hose over. All right, everybody, as you can see, I put a little piece of 1x6 on here. Now what we want to do is attach this T connector. And I'm going to put it about on an angle like that. And I did pre-drill one hole here. And I have a few screws. I think we're going to go about on an angle like that. Probably match the 45-degree angle on the plastic here. Let me try to do this without blocking you. All right, from here, all we have to do is attach a hose from here to here and put the bag on. Okay guys, so what I did is I went and attached the hose to this side here, and now we have to actually size it. I want to show you the clamp I used. This clamp has a wing nut on it, as you can see, so it's easy to use, and it's stepped here. That step little jump over allows it to slot over the metal wire in the hose. It makes a good seal all the way around. Works very well when you use the hoses. Up here, I just use a simple regular hose clamp because there was no wire to hop over. Here, I'm using the stepped ones to hop over the wire. So let's get this sized for what we need. I think we need to go right to this notch right here. All right, now we take another one of the step overs because we're going over a hose. We just get it on and get it stepped over and attach it. All right, last step, bag. This is a bag I had. I'm going to replace this with a much better bag. This is just something I got on Amazon. I'm going to try to find the actual better micron, like a 5 micron, I think it is, bag. This is just a cloth bag, but it will work for now. You see, it's not even sized right for this, so we have to do some work here. And there we have it, guys. We have complete dust collection coming out the back. So let's take it outside and fire it up. I'll show you how it works. Okay guys, so as you can see, our bag now has chips in it. I don't have any dust on this table at all. This table is perfectly clean. All of the chips went out here and into that bag because the Dewalt blower motor has enough pressure to push it through. So this will work now without any vacuums or dust collectors connected to it. I'll be able to collect the chips and not make a mess out here. So I hope this was helpful. If you want to do this to yours, I'll put a link below to the parts I use to do this, and you should be able to pick them up. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.